Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing a natural makeup look, and this is actually like completely different from what I usually do. The kind of makeup that I usually do is like very bright, that like very creative, I guess, in a way, makeup look. And today I'm gonna be doing one that's like more natural and like the kind where you want to like go out and you just don't want to look, you know, popping popping and everything. Ignore the hair. I don't know, I just wanted to put it up so I can do my makeup. Without further ado though, let's just get right into this video. To start off, I am gonna put a little bit of foundation on the top part of my eyelid. So like, I don't know, to kind of like make it blend with like the face, I guess. But I'm putting a very small amount on the top right here, and we're gonna do the same. Whoa, okay, that's better. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, just a very small amount. Ooh, that's too bad. That being said, after we're done, I am going to add a eyeshadow base on top. I'm gonna pat it. I'm gonna take it with our fingers and just pat the bottom. You want to make sure that you're putting it at the bottom part. You see where it is? It's like at like the lower part of the eyelid. And of course, like using your finger, since you put it at the bottom, using your finger, you want to like blend it into the top. And now that we're done with that, I'm going to add a little bit of setting powder. Okay, so using our setting powder, I'm gonna do it like a dab, like this small amount, and we're gonna dab it. We're gonna wait, right? That's the right word, right? Dab it. Okay, well, I'm just gonna dab. I'm just gonna pat it on top to make sure that the color kind of like sets in, even though we put even though we did put eyeshadow base, it's not going to pop that much, which is completely different from what I usually do with my makeup, because usually I want them to like freaking pop, bro. Now that we're done with that, now we have the perfect base to start putting in our eyeshadow. The eyeshadow I'm gonna be using this time is a Morphe. Ooh, it's a little dirty. Oh my goodness, why are you so dirty, my dude? So I'm gonna be using Morphe's eyeshadow palette, and I'm using it because the one that I have currently has more natural color look that I'm gonna be using. We're gonna be taking our brush. I'm gonna be taking like a thinner, not a thinner, like a, brush, I guess. And I am going to use these two. I'm gonna be using these two colors. I'm gonna be using this one and this one. Of course, they're not gonna show that much though, so yeah, I'm gonna be dapping it. You see, it's gonna dap, it's a little small amount we're gonna have on our brush. And so then we're going to be putting it at the upper part of our crease, basically. I'm gonna be circling, and you see it isn't even showing yet, but I'm gonna be doing circles on it like this, and just gonna get some more, and then and again circle. Be doing a circle around the edge. Of course, we're gonna go the winged look a little bit. I'm gonna wing it, and then do like that. As you can see, you can see it a little bit, but it's barely there. And that's why we're gonna be using our blending brush, and we're going to blend up, upward, so it looks. Then I'm gonna be using, of course, the second color, which is up first. I should have told you what color I was gonna be using. Whoa, I'm so sorry. So for the bottom eye, I used this color over here. For the top, around here, I'm gonna be using this darker, kind of like brown. On the camera it looks lighter than what it is. It's really not that light, but of course I'm gonna be dapping it and gonna add it at the top, and then we're gonna wing it. I'm actually just gonna put it on twice, because I feel like that gets the job done better than like putting it so much, because you don't want to put too much and it like just like showing up at you. No. Then we're gonna take our blending brush, and of course we're gonna blend. The last thing that I'm gonna add is a little bit of this glitter. It's like a goldish color. Have it on my fingers. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna be adding in the gold color, but only at the bottom. Okay, make sure that it stays at the bottom. The gold is barely gonna show even if you put so much, woo. But of course we're gonna be blending it. You can, of course, I think I'm just gonna add it with a brush better so I can actually get the end. My fingers are too fat. I blend it up. Of course you can't see it, so that's basically what we want. And gonna do that. Gonna do the same one with the other side. Then we go in with the darker, go 2 tops, of course. Then of course we add in the gold. After adding the gold, of course, you know the drill, we blend. I blend the gold a little bit upwards after I finish, you know. I blend it upward. I add more if there's needed. Since we're done, we're basically done with the eyeshadow part. There's nothing else to add. And we have everything. Of course, we're gonna add in our concealer. I go like this. When it comes to like my natural makeup look, I add some concealer at the top, the nose, and down here. And then of course we blend. So I am going to add in my bronzer. I'm not actually going to put much on the bronzer. Ooh, I put it in the wrong way and I put wrong place. I do circles so that I make sure I don't add too much. On here, I only add 4 because again, we're trying to look natural. We're not trying to look like, I don't know, like we put too much. For the nose, I usually just use like a brush and I just go ahead and do this. Going with a lighter bronzer and I do this a little bit in the forehead, but like that, and then we blend upwards. We do a lip liner. I'm actually using a pink lip liner. We want it to look like part of the lip, like your lip is like, you know, naturally pink color. I'm in a light pink. I'm not gonna put too much because this is an extremely bright lip gloss. It's called lip cream. Lip cream. Okay, so I add like a tiny bit and then I blend. And that being said, I look like one of those what is it called? Those like 2012 in England girl makeup memes. But the only thing that's left now is to add some lip gloss. I add it and we're done. This is what I would do. This is my makeup. Oh right, I forgot. Oh my goodness. For blush, I use the same thing, the same lip cream, and I add a little bit here and here. I only add two. And then I do the same thing to the other side. I blend with my fingers. It's missing a little bit. I got it on my fingers. Okay, so this is the type of like natural makeup look that I do. It looks pretty good and it doesn't like pop too much, but it also gives your face a little bit of vibrant and a little, you know, glow to it. But yeah. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. But otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!